Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to use the InstaReader app. Using InstaReader, you can convert any textbooks or PDFs into audiobooks almost instantly. Let's see how we can do that. Currently, I've opened my InstaReader app. We have 4 options available to us. The first one is to create audiobooks. Second one is to read the books you have created. And the third one is provide feedback. And fourth one is how to use the app. Let's go one by one. I will first show you how to create audiobook. For that, click on the create audiobooks button. You will be provided 3 options. The first one is upload PDF, the second one is upload images, and the last one is to take photo. We'll go one by one. The first, I will show you how to upload a PDF. To upload a PDF, click on the upload PDF button. Now it will open the downloads folder. From here, you can choose the PDF you want to upload. I will choose this demo PDF. Then it will ask you to name the audiobook. You can enter any name you want. I will enter demo. And next you have to choose the language of the uploaded file. My PDF is English, so I am choosing English here and click on save. So it will start creating the audiobook for you. You can also create Tamil audiobooks. The procedure is the same. Only you have to choose the language as Tamil. Currently we support English and Tamil. In future we'll be bringing in more languages. Currently it processing the PDF and it is converting into audiobook. So now the audiobook is created for us. To listen to the book, click on the demo name. So it is loading the audiobook for us.
Nations of the East is India even when compared with Egypt and its monuments, China and its annals, or Assyria and
So it is reading out the audiobook for us. If you want to go to the next page, you can click on the next page button. So it will load the next page for us and start reading.
Introduction. Complete picture of the development of the country, whose teeming millions are now under the scepter of Great Britain.
So if you want to go to the previous page, you can click on the previous page button.
Introduction by the editor. Not the least historic of the ancient nations of the East is India even when compared with the British Dominion. The aim of this series of volumes is for present a continuous narrative of the history of India from.
So you can use this slider to forward or backward the audio.
Winning into an organic whole and succession of standard works by recognized authorities, each a master of the special period with which he deals, thus providing a.
So once this page is over, it will automatically load the next page and start reading.
Introduction. Complete picture of the development of the country, whose teeming million.
And there is an option to adjust the audio speed as well. Using this slider, you can make it slow or fast. I'll show you how we can control the audio speed.
Under the scepter of Britain. In out this design, the publishers and the editor have had the generous assistance of those work is represented by these volumes.
So if you want to go to a particular page by entering the page number, you can click on the topmost button which says this is page 2 of top 4 pages. So it will say what is the current page we are reading, which is page 2, and what is the total number of pages in this book, which is 4 pages. And if you want to enter a page number, you can click on that button and it will ask for the page number. I will enter 4 and click on OK.
Introduction. Now fellow NTNDO Tranian at Columbus also generous assistance in reading the proof sheets and in various matters of detail.
So it is reading on the 4th page for me. So this is how you read an audiobook. And so now we saw how to upload a PDF and convert that into an audiobook. There is another option as well. Instead of uploading PDF from within the app, you can, if you have an audiobook open in your mobile phone, you can share that PDF file to the InstaReader app. It is very similar how you share files to WhatsApp. So I will click on these 3 dots above. and click on send file. So here the InstaReader app will be available. You can click on that, and now it will ask for the audiobook name. You enter the audiobook name, select the language and click on save. It will create the audiobook for you. So the next option is upload images. So click on the upload images button, then it will open the folder for you. From here you can select the images which you want to upload. It is very similar how you uploaded a PDF and converted that into an audiobook. So you can select the files, and it will ask you for the audiobook name. You can enter the name and click on save. And same is applicable for images as well. Suppose if you have gallery, and if you want, you can share this photos to the InstaReader app using the share option. And similarly, it will ask you for the audiobook name. You can give the name, select the language and click on save. The audiobook will be created for you. So this is all about uploading images. The third option is take photo. Suppose you have a book with you and you want to convert that into an audiobook, you can choose the take photo option. So I'm clicking on take photo. So now it is opening the camera for me. Before taking photo, make sure the lighting is proper, and also make sure the page is not bent like this. Before taking photo, make it straight and take the photo. Okay, then click on this OK icon. Next, you need to crop the photo. Remove any backgrounds. So using the corners of this orange box, I am cropping this photo. And also feel this photo is slightly rotated. I'm correcting it using this rotate option here. Okay. And then you can also zoom in or zoom out the selected photo using the scale option. So now the photo looks good to me. So I'm going to click on this OK icon. If you want, you can add another page as well. You can add as many pages as you want. So to add that, you click on this add next page button and click take photo. You can also choose to upload any images. In this case, I'm taking photo. So I'm going to add the next photo. Click on OK. Crop the photo. Click on OK. So next I'm going to save the audiobook. So for that, click on save audiobook button. Then it similarly asks for the audiobook name and it will ask for the language. If you click on save, the audiobook will be generated for you. This is how you create an audiobook, by taking photos. The next option here, so this is all about creating audiobooks using the 3 options available. And the next option is to read books. If you click on this, it will list out all the audiobooks created by you. You can listen to any of them anytime. And if you have like more audiobooks, you can search using the search icon, enter the audiobook name. Since I have only one audiobook, I can't search for many, but if you have more audiobooks, you can search for that. And using this create icon, using this pen icon here, you can go to the create audiobook page as well. And if you want to delete an audiobook, you can click on this trash can icon here. And if you want to delete it, click on yes. Otherwise, click on no. Since I want to delete this, I'm clicking on yes. And the audiobook will be deleted and you no longer have access to that audiobook. So the next option is to provide feedback. If you click on that, it will open a Google form for you. Here you can mention what you like about the app, what you don't like, and how we can improve. Please take a few minutes to provide feedback. We will look into your feedback and definitely improve the app. And the next option is how to use. If you click on this button, it will directly take you to this tutorial. And You can watch this tutorial as many times. So this are the four options available, and I think it's clear how to create audiobooks and listen to them using InstaReader app. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below and we will clarify those questions. Thanks for watching.